Hello! Last episode we improved upon the permanent health loss system from episode 161. So what we did is we had, when you take damage, you lose your hearts. Let's go into survival. So I've got 5 hearts at the moment. Took damage, lost my heart. And we made it so when players die, they drop apples containing their max health. Or you can give players apples containing health, and they can eat it. So let's have a look at selected item. This has got 2 health inside it, so that's 1 heart. Let's eat that. We should have 5 hearts. Okay, so you can give them an apple, or they can get apples dropped by players. Now the problem, if you fight a player and you get them down to 1 heart and then kill them, the apple they drop is only going to give you 1 heart. So that's not very useful. So we're going to set up a base level. So the apple always gives a base level plus the hearts that the player had when they died. And we're going to set up a cosmetic as well, just to let you know how many hearts are in the item. So first thing we're going to do is switch back to creative. And we're going to add a new scoreboard objective. And I am going to call it appleBaseLevel. So this will be the base level. Apples will always have this much health inside them, plus what the player had when they died. Okay, done. And just here, part of the cosmetic side, I am going to get myself some wool. That's just somewhere I can put the sign. Now this sign you probably want to put in spawn somewhere, chunks that are always loaded. Okay, right, what we're going to do then is we're going to leave all of this the same, and we're just going to change these first 2. I'll get a copy of that lever. Now I want to take away this first one. Let's put it over there. Yep. Take away this second one. Let's put that over there as well. Yep. Okay. Right, and we should be left here with the remove init. Okay. So we've got that one, and we're going to put that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to go there. And we're going to make a little change to it. First of all, we'll put our lever back on. And it's only a tiny change. We're going to go right to the end here, and we're going to add an extra piece of law. And it will be text. And it's just going to, actually we could just have it as a space. But just to give us a reminder of what it's for, it's going to say levels space. Okay, so let's have a look at where that is. 1, 2, 3, 4 curly brackets, 1 square bracket, and then that's the bit we added. We added that. Okay, done. Next, let's get a new block. We are going to execute as all players scores equals death equals 1 or higher. We will run scoreboard players operation, and we're going to have a fake player. Call them whatever you like. I call them fake player, and their apple base level will equal their apple base level plus the dead player's health.copy. Okay, done. And now we're going to go and get this block again. And we'll put this in here. Now we were putting the health copy onto the apple. What we're going to do here is change that from health copy to fake player apple base level. Because what we've done is we've said the apple base level equals itself plus health copy, and then we add that on. We need to define what the apple base level is going to be, and we do that at the end. So it goes all the way up, comes all the way down, and we'll do it here. Basically, we're going to reset the apple base level. So scoreboard, players, set, we called them fake player, the appleBaseLevel. I'm going to set it to 4, so that's 2 extra hearts. You'll always get at least 2 hearts from the apple. Done. And now we have 2 spaces free. Oh, made myself dizzy. And here is what we're going to do. We're going to get a bit of text onto the sign and then copy the text from the sign into the apple's lore. So, what do we want to do? We want to execute as any player, again, whose scores equals death equals 1 or higher. We are going to run data merge with a block. Where is that block? Done. It's this block. Fill, tab, tab, tab. Copy that. Let's go back here. With the block, what data are we going to merge in there? Now, if you're doing this on 120 or higher, you're going to have to convert this into the new sign format. We are in 1.19, so we're going to use the 1.19 sign format. Text 1. What is going to go inside text 1? Well, we are going to have 2 things. 1, 2. First one is just going to be text. And the second one is going to be a score. Let's do the text one first. Text, and it's going to be the same as we wrote in the lore before. Levels with a space. And this one is going to be speech marks, colon, open and close those curly brackets, and inside there, 2 sets of these. So this will say, this is a score. Oh, it's a score. Okay, well, whose score are you going to use? What's their name? Their name is fake player. Okay, fake player. And what objective are you going to use? I'm going to use the objective appleBaseLevel. Okay, so we should now be copying that onto the sign. Next. Let's go back in here. Next one. Oh, put another one there. Okay, now we copy it from the sign, because the sign is converted it into nice text, which the lore can understand. We'll copy it into the lore. Execute as all players. Scores equals death equals 1 or higher. Run data modify entity. What entity? We'll fill that in a minute. Actually, no, let's fill it in now. So it'll be type equals item, and it is tag equals health apple. It's our health apple. And we limit equals 1. Sort equals nearest. Okay. And we will put it into its item dot tag dot display dot lore. Which line of lore? Line number 2, so 0 is 1, 1 is 2. Set from block. Do we still have the coordinates of the block? Yes, we do. Text 1. Done. Okay. No one's dying, so nothing on the sign. Let's have a go at this. Let's clear, and let's see if we've got everything right first time. Press the objectives, make sure we've got that objective. Switch myself to survival. I've currently got 5 hearts. So if I die now, I would expect an apple to have 10 plus what we added at the end, and we were adding 4, I believe. So I'd expect my apple to have 14. Kill at P. Let's pick up the apple. Let's have a data get entity myself. Selected item. Health add 14. There we go. And if we look at the item, we should see levels 14. Nice. So we've got a cosmetic, so they can look at the apple and it shows them how many levels it's storing. And if we damage ourselves, So this should equal 7. Yes, 14 divided by 2, 7. So let's... Oh, it's loud. Let's get down to 1. We'll eat this, and we should go up to 8. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there we go. That is our system finished. So we've got permanent health loss. When you lose hearts, that's it. You don't get them back. You could then be rewarded with an apple, as we've got there, the give apple command there, from loot crates or something to gain them back. Or you can kill a player and get their apple and munch that to get your hearts back. Okay, that's it for now. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.